sometimes it is useful to let a letter or any other symbol stand for something. For example, my name represents me, and if in a secret message I signed my name X, then X stands for me. Suppose we have 4 plus question mark is equal to 7, then this question mark must stand for 3 because 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and we say question mark is equal to 3. We have solved the equation 4 plus question mark is equal to 7, and the solution or answer is question mark is equal to 3. Similarly, if we have 19 minus x is equal to 17, then we can see that because 19 minus 2 is equal to 17, then x must be equal to 2, and we write it like this. Now, given that 3 times y is equal to 15, we can say that y is equal to 5 because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.